Put that away. I want to see how it looks on you.
But it's Kelly's.
Yes, but she could never do justice to this, darling.
But it's her wedding dress.
What the hell does that matter? I won't be married to her for long.
But Quinn, what about our plan? What about our money?
To hell with her money. To hell with the plan. We can get money anywhere. No, I can't go through with it, Flame. I can't. For me to spend one night with her would be sheer torture, knowing the whole time I'm thinking only of you.
Oh, Quinn, do you mean it? Do you mean it? I've been so miserable. I thought you'd really fallen in love with her.
I know. Can you ever forgive me? I know I've been terribly, awfully, horribly cruel to you. It was only so I could force myself to go through with it. But now that I see you, I can speculate how you would look in such a wedding gown. I mean, how could I ever see Kelly without thinking of you? You're the woman I love. It's you, and only you.
Robert, what are you doing? Get the hell away from my husband.
Your what? He's not your husband, Kelly. He never will be.
He is my husband. He married me. I'm not going to let him go.
Tell her, Quinn.
I'm afraid she's right, Kelly. Not only is this the way I really talk, but this is a woman I really love. She always has been.
But we're married, Robert.
You think he's going to wait until you're able to walk again? He's never going to be making love to you again, Princess.
That's right, Kelly. Flame is a woman for me. Flame and only Flame.